everyone, welcome back. This is Liz, and today we are going to talk all about Christmas wrapping on a budget. And yeah, it's definitely that time of the year where you are shopping, you are wrapping gifts, and it definitely, the money adds up. So just to help you save money, I just have some tips and just a few DIYs that I'm using, and I just want to share with you. So let's get into it. So the first step here is not using tissue paper, and I just don't see a use for this, so I'm just eliminating it, and I think that helps me save money. So yeah, if you feel like you can wrap gifts without using everything, definitely eliminate. I think that's always a good idea. The reason why I don't see the use for it is just because it's just another extra thing, and yeah, it keeps people curious as they're opening the box and they're like, ooh, what's inside this tissue? But I feel like the box is already protecting it, and I feel like no matter what, they were already curious as they're opening the box. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that out. So the second tip here is just using solid gift wrappers. So I just bought a bunch of craft paper, like rolled up, and like the black one and the white one, and it was just so much fun just like drawing on it after I have wrapped the gift, and like just being able to draw it according to how you like and just get creative with it, and it just felt really personal. And if you know specifically who the gift is for, obviously you should because you wrapped it. You can draw what they're interested in. So for example, like this one here, I know my brother loves music, and so I just drew like different music notes, and I just thought that was so cool and just so personable. And yeah, I love how it turned out. So the third tip is just using scraps as bows, and I just thought that was such a cool idea because a lot of times, like when you have extra scraps, I felt so bad because I would just throw them away. And yeah, like this makes it usable and doable, and you can just rework it somehow, you know, like it used to be scrap, but now it's like this really cool bow. So yeah, I just did like a really basic one, nothing crazy. I don't have patience for all those little details, so just something simple, and I don't think someone's going to look at it and critique me and be like, this doesn't look good. So yeah. So the last tip here is using your scraps and using your shopping bags and just making something new out of it. And yeah, if you're gonna be shopping a lot, you're gonna have a lot of those Christmas bags. So make use of it. Sometimes we don't know how to work with it just because they have logos on it. And that is a wrap on these 4 tips. I hope it was helpful. Have fun with it and get creative. And yeah, happy holidays. I will see you all again soon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to become part of the Diary Sisterhood, join by clicking that button. Alright, see you guys.